Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can clear and delete cookies on your Firefox browser. So deleting the cookies and cache of your Firefox browser, this can also help you fix any issues that you are facing with your Firefox browser. So how can we do that? In the Windows search bar right here, type Firefox. Best match, go ahead and click on that. Now you have to locate the three lines. You can find that in the top right corner. This is the Open Application menu. Scroll down and look for Settings, that's under Zoom. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on Privacy and Security. That's under the Search button. Now click on Privacy and Security, the one with the lock symbol. Under Privacy and Security, scroll down and you will find cookies and site data. Your stored cookies, site data, and cache are currently using 19.2 MB of disk space. Now you might have more than MB of this, but here's how we can delete the cache of our Firefox browser. Click on Clear Data. Now you'll be asked when. Click on this drop-down menu. If you're going to choose last hour, what will be deleted will only be for the last hour. If you choose last 2 hours, what will be deleted will only be for the last 2 hours. And if you choose last 4 hours, what will be deleted will only be for the last 4 hours. So if you're going to also choose since 12 a.m., what will be deleted will only be for the starting 12 a.m. So we are going to choose everything. History checked. Cookies and site data checked. Temporary cached files and pages checked. Site settings checked. And finally, click on Clear. Once done, you can simply browse again into your Firefox browser. So just by that, you can easily delete the cookies for your Firefox browser. And just like any other browser, you can also delete the cookies and cache for your browser. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.